Hello and welcome to Carwow Live.
If you've got customers that have been looking at cars, send them a video. We actually do that through our CRM. We'll send people who are inquiring about cars our video reviews because it helps get the excitement and maintain the excitement and interest in that car that they're looking at. And it'll allow you to continue to have like a conversation with them as well. If you've got in stock cars, you could quite easily do little videos on the in stock car so people can look around it. So I do quite a lot of stuff on Instagram, and I will basically do a real-time 1-minute video walk around of a car to let my Instagram followers look around the car, and it's a very brief, concise overview, and it takes a minute to do it and probably about 3 minutes to post it. For instance, if you are a car dealer, you could practice doing that at home now with your own car on your driveway, so that when you are allowed back into your dealership, but there's still social distancing, you're on it, you know what you're doing. For our members, I'm actually doing a how-to guide so that they can actually produce these videos, which will like explain certain kit you could use. So most people would just do it on your phone. That's right, film it on your phone, but the sound will be a bit cracked to the phone's microphone. So buy a little lav mic you can plug into your phone, and a really good one, you can get one for 40 quid. Then there's the fact you're going to be a bit shaky, right? You can buy a gimbal for about 60 quid. Now, if you're a dealership, you don't want to have that for all your salesmen maybe, but you could have one, that setup that's shared, and they could just use that and it will make the video look so much better. Then there is simple software editing, like I use Video Editor on my phone. Video Editor, free app, right? And you can change the aspect ratio, so you could do it like portrait, like your mum film stuff, or you could do it landscape, like we film stuff. So you can actually meet, we're chatting now, we could be in a room together, but we're not, we're online chatting. You do this with your customers. I wouldn't suggest doing it through Zoom. My mum is the kind of person who buys cars, but she won't want to be faffing around with Zoom, but the woman knows how to use WhatsApp. But I, like when I'm talking about certain things, like we're trying to explain something to her, I will chat face to face with her, switch the camera around, and then I'll show her what I'm talking about. And you can do that if you're in your dealership and you want to talk to someone around a car. You can just have a chat and talk through different points around the car very, very easily. Right. One of the key things about YouTube is authenticity. I'm authentic. I'll say exactly what I think about a car. So if you are going to use some of our videos, watch it through and make sure that at the end I don't say it's crap, because you probably don't want to be sending that to your customer. But on the cars that are generally rated like good, then it will really help build excitement about a car. But the key thing is the authenticity. So do not use these videos as being like if you're doing a stock car one, just keep it simple. This is the car, these are the features it's got, and this is how much it costs. Have a look around it. Almost like you're just showing your friend around the car rather than trying to sell someone something. Just let them see around the car. Let them see around the car. That's it.